Hello, my learners. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. My name is Teacher Jonathan, and in our today's Mathematics for Grade 4, we'll be working on addition of units of time. Addition of units of time. And to start with, how do we tell time? How do we tell time? In our previous lesson, we measured time taken during different events. And just for a start, in our pairs, I would like to ask the units of time that we have just learned. The units of time that we have learned, John, the unit of time we have learned about hours. That is a unit. Hours, I can write in a short form. Hours, that is 1 unit we have learned of time. Another unit of time. Victor, another unit of time. Yes, we have also learned changing time to minutes. So minutes is another unit. Minutes is another unit of time. I can write it in short form like that. And another unit of time. We have said we can tell time in either days or weeks. So those are other two, days and weeks. So these are very vital units of telling time or units of time. Now, as we had learners in our pairs, we can observe these number cards. And the first one I pick is this one. This one, we have 4 hours and 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Let me write it here. Hours and minutes. So we have 4 hours, 10 minutes. We are adding. Addition. What are we adding? The other number card. The other number card is 1 hour, 52 minutes. We are adding 1 hour, 52 minutes. 1 hour, 52 minutes. Learners, we can add. We are adding. We have 10 minutes. We are starting from the minute side. We are starting from the minute side on our right towards the left to the hour side. So 10 minutes plus 52 minutes. We will get how many minutes? Yes, Victoria, we have 62 minutes. 62 minutes. We cannot write 62 minutes here. Remember, when we are working and learning on how many minutes make 1 hour, we said hours, minutes, they are 60 in number. So 60 minutes, they will go around to make 1 hour. And now here we have 62 minutes because 10 plus 52 is 62 minutes. So what do we do? 62 minutes. So we convert 60 minutes to 1 hour. And that 1 hour, we regroup it here to this side. Let me use a different color for you to see. We regroup it to this side. And when we take 60 minutes here, we are remaining with only 2. So this side, we have 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. And this side, we have how many hours? Now, it's 1 plus 4 and plus 1. We have 5. We have 6, sorry. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So when we add this, we have how many hours? 6 hours and 2 minutes. I can also input 0 here to stand for 2 minutes. Those are the time. That is the answer for this one. Addition. Remember, when you are adding, arrangement of your digits, it's very vital. You can use the number charts or the place value chart. We have it there, place value chart. You can also use the abacus. We have the abacus in our addition. So we have added 4 hours added to 10 minutes, 4 hours, 10 minutes. We have added 1 hour, 52 minutes to get 6 hours and 2 minutes. Remember, we start adding minutes first. So when we added minutes, we got 62 minutes. Remember, from our time, we said 1 hour is made up of only 60 minutes. So when minutes clocks to 60, they become an hour. So the reason why we have done it side here, 1 hour, we have taken it here, and we are remaining with how many minutes? Only 2 minutes on this side. Let us try another sum, and still I have number cards. The first one is 2 weeks, 5 days. 2 weeks and 5 days. 2 weeks and 5 days. Let me use this side. 2 weeks and 5 days. So on this side, I can write weeks and days. Let me write them in short or in full, and days. So we have 2 weeks and 5 days. We are adding. What are we adding? We are adding 6 weeks and 4 days. We are adding 6 weeks and 4 days. 6 weeks and 4 days. Let us add. Remember, when we were working with the time, we were converting days to weeks and weeks to days. Remember, we said how many days make up 1 week. We said we come to school for 5 days and 2 days we stay at home. And then after those 7 days, we start again coming back to school. So 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, you can either use the place value chart. We have the place value chart here, and we have the abacus for addition. You can use this one to add. We have said the first one are 5 days. So we take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We had how many days? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do we have? We have 9 days. Remember again, we cannot write 9 days here because a week ends at 7 days. So what shall we do? We now take away 1 week here. We transfer it, or we group it here. So it's 9, take away 7, we get 2. So here we will remain with 2 days, and we regroup 1 week to this side. So we'll have now 1 week plus 2 weeks plus 6 weeks to get how many weeks? Victoria, to get 9 weeks. So our answer will be 9 weeks and 2 days. Very important. Very important. It's here. How many hours make, how many minutes make 1 hour? We know they are 60 minutes. So whenever minutes go beyond 60, convert the others, because we have learned how to convert to hours. And then how many hours make up a day? We said 24 hours make up 1 day. So if hours go beyond 24, convert 24, or those are worthy conversion, to days, and you remain with hours. How many days make up 1 week? We know 7 days will make up 1 week. So for our case there, days have gone beyond 7, convert them to a week, and you remain with the remaining days. Learners, having that in mind, can we try the following? Having that in mind, can we try the following? Work out. Remember, we are doing addition. Work out. What are we working out? Number 1, work out the following. Work out the following. Right here, weeks and days. So here we have 6 weeks and 6 days plus 6 weeks and 6 days. 6 weeks, 6 days. We are adding 6 weeks, 6 days plus 6 weeks and 6 days. Number 2, you have hours and minutes. So we have how many minutes, how many hours? 16 hours and 45 minutes and 45. We are adding how many hours? 7 hours and 32 minutes. Remember the same rule, when minutes go beyond 60, convert them to hours. Task number 3, we have hours. How many hours? 4 hours. Hours and minutes. We have 4 hours and 30 minutes. We are adding 2 hours 55 minutes. 2 hours 55 minutes. Remember, this is addition. Sum number 4, or task number 4. Number 4, and the final one, we have weeks and days. We have weeks and days. So how many weeks do we have? We have 9 weeks and 6 days plus 3 weeks and 5 days. These are our tasks for today, class. Make sure you try them. You can also do more practice on addition. You can also do more practice on addition of units of time. There are so many number games involving addition of units of time in the internet. You can access them and try to practice. For practice makes perfect. Let us meet in the next lesson.